Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you are doing? In today's video, I'm going to be making peanut butter, or as it is called in Nigeria, pepper cola. So if this video is interesting to you, keep watching. So I'm starting off with this peanut seed, or as it is called in Nigeria, groundnut. Here in the Western world, they call it peanut seed or monkey nut. So whichever one you want to call it, it is what it is. Guys, I'm just going to pick up the ones that are spoiled and then I'm going to soak it in warm water. So the reason why I soak my groundnut, my peanut, my monkey nut in hot water is because if I add salt on it, I want the salt to go in. So guys, I used to fry groundnut back those days in Nigeria. So I know how to make my groundnut taste very nice. So this is how I do it. You soak it in hot water and then allow it there for like 5 minutes and then pour it out and then add salt on it. So as you can see now, I'm sieving it out from the hot water. Next, I'll add salt, mix it up very well, and then spread it out, allow it to air dry. So this is how I've been frying groundnuts back those days in Nigeria. And whenever I make my groundnut like this, I always sell it all. More. So I'm adding salt on it. I'm going to mix it up very well. Make sure the groundnut enter everywhere the way it's supposed to be. Once I'm done, I'm going to spread it out and allow it to air dry before I begin the next process. In today's video, I'm not going to be frying this groundnut. I have a video on how to fry groundnut. I'm going to leave the link at the top of this video and in the description box of this video. In today's video, I'm going to bake in the oven. I don't have time to fry the groundnut, guys. So as you can see, I added my kitchen tissue on a tray and then I'll add the groundnut there, leave it there to air dry. The reason why I place this kitchen tissue on it is because I want it to soak the water fast for me. I wanted to do this peanut butter urgently before I go to work. So I just spread it there, allow it there to dry for about 30 minutes and then I'll bake it in the oven. I don't have time to fry it today. So once I'm done, I'm just going to keep it aside, allow it to dry for 30 minutes. So guys, after 30 minutes, this is how it looks. I'm just going to remove the tissue paper and then place it in the baking tray, put it in the oven and allow it to dry there. I have not tried this method before. This is my first time trying this method. Who even gave me this sense? I don't know. I just say, let me try it. Maybe it will work. So I spread it, spread, and then put it in the oven. So I set the oven for in a low heat. I allow the oven to heat before I put the baking tray inside. Once I'm done, I'll just put it in the oven and allow it to dry. This is how it looks. It came out nice. I never expected it to be like this. So next, I'm going to peel off the back. This process is what I don't like. I'll peel off the back, go out and blow the chaff out because we don't need the chaff on this recipe. I really love homemade food. There are some things I don't like purchasing in the market. Things like peanut butter, things I know I can do from my kitchen. I prefer I do it myself instead of buying it in the market. So guys, once I've done peeling it up, this is how it looks. I'll just take it outside and blow it out. So this is how it looks. It looks very neat. Next, I'm going to put it into the blender and then we'll start blending it into peanut butter. I've never used this blender to blend something dry before, so I hope this is going to come out nice. Anyway, we will soon find out. So guys, I'll just add it all in the blender and then put it in the blender and start blending it. So I set the blender and then I turn it on. And it worked, guys. It worked. It blended immediately. This is my blender and I got send. I they really worship this blender for kitchen. So I'll just open it and then bring them together, try to mix it up again so that it will be easy for the blender to blend it smoothly. Then after which I'm going to be adding oil on it. So this is coconut oil. I'm adding 6 tablespoons of coconut oil. You can use sunflower oil, groundnut oil, whichever one you have. So the reason why I added oil on it is to enable me to blend it properly. You can see I'm struggling to blend this groundnut now because the more I blend it, the more it becomes hard. But with the help of the oil, I managed to blend it smoothly the way I really wanted it to be. Once I'm done blending it, guys, this is how it looks. It really came out nice. No different with the one you buy from market. In fact, this one is the best because you did it yourself. So guys, I'll just pour it out of the blender. Look how nice it is, guys. It really came out nice. I was so pleased with it. Next, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made my crunchy peanut butter. You know, when you go to the market to buy peanut butter, there's some that is made crunchy and there's some that is made smooth. So next, I'll be showing you guys how I made crunchy peanut butter. So I have a leftover groundnut or monkey nut. I just use my grinder to match it up. I'm just going to add it in the smooth peanut butter and then mix it up together. And then that is it. If you're still watching this video till this time, thank you so much for your time watching my video. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comment section. So guys, I'll just transfer it into this bowl because the plate where I use serve don full dey pour. So once I'm done transferring it to the bowl, guys, this is how it looks. It really came out nice the way I want it. No different with the one you buy in the shop, guys. Next, I'm going to apply it on the bread. Let's see how it's going to look there as well. This one is my children favorite. Peanut butter and dry bread. Guys, look at it. It really came out nice. I love it. I love it. I love it. The crunchy one as well, my favorite. I love it as well. It really looked nice and beautiful, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please subscribe. Let's become one big family, okay? Don't forget to click the bell icon so you don't miss out each time I bring another amazing recipe like this. So guys, have you ever tried carrot and peanut butter? Hey, now heaven sent oh. If you haven't tried it, just pause this video, go and look for carrot and try it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. See you on my next one. Bye.